Bismillah, Mass Academy, Introduction to Trigonometry, Class 9th Unit 6 and Class 10th Unit 7. Though we are reading exercise 6.2, but before understanding 6.2, we have to read some basic thing about triangle. After watching this video, you will totally understand some these basic thing which is needed to be understand before studying trigonometry or triangle. Generally, triangle has six components, three side and three angles. A triangle with respect to side, there are three types. Remember, one is equilateral triangle. In that triangle, in that kind of triangle, all sides are equal. We're talking about, remember, sides right now. Equal, it means side A, B, C are equal. Let's say we have a triangle like this. This is a shape where may it looks like all sides are equal. This is called equilateral triangle. Another triangle is there which is called scalene triangle. There no side is equal or all sides are not equal. A, B and C, they are not equal. That can be a shape like this. We are trying to draw maybe like this. Yeah, it looks maybe that there is no sides are equal. A, B and C, all sides are different. Next type is isosceles triangle. Triangle symbol will be written in the place of triangle where two sides are equal. Where two side, here it means any two side can be equal. If we have a triangle where its sides lengths are A, B, C, then we can write or that their A and B can be equal but not equal to C. Also can be A and C are equal but not equal to B. B or C equal but not equal to A. This can be. Come to triangle with respect to angle. Also there are three types of triangle with respect to angles. First one is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle is that kind of triangle where at least one angle is equal to 90 degree. It means if we have any triangle where a one angle is equal to 90 degree, and that triangle, that is called right angle triangle. This shape is made, it is like this, it looks like this. Acute angle triangle, second type with respect to angle. Here if we see the whole angles, there is no such angle that is equal to 90 degree. Though we can say that all angles are less than 90 degree. Remember, we are talking about individual angle, not sum of angle. All individual angles are less than 90 degree, then such kind of triangle is called, as we know there are three angles in a triangle, acute angle triangle. If we draw the shape, may it looks like this. See, right angle will be like this. In triangle where no right angle, it is in this form. Come to next and third, that is called obtuse angled triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, there at least one angle you can find that is greater than 90, maybe 95, 100 like this, but greater than 90, at least one angle. Then where in any kind of triangle among three angle, one angle is greater than 90 degree, then such kind of triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. These are the triangle with respect to sides and with respect to angles. We have discussed about with respect to angle, right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and also with respect to side somehow we have discussed, that is equilateral triangle, scalene and isosceles triangle. Now how to solve a triangle. Solve a triangle means if sides are, remember, to solve a triangle we must have two component. As we said, there are six component. If we are talking about sides of a triangle, let's say we have two sides length are given to us, then it is easy to find third side. But if the triangle is right angle triangle, that time it is easy, because according to Pythagoras we can find it. And let's say we have a shape of a triangle, that is right angle triangle, and wherever theta is there, that is a base, and hypotenuse is the opposite side of 90 degree, and perpendicular is the opposite of theta. According to Pythagoras theorems, that is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Using this formula, we easily can find any missing sides, but the condition is we must have two sides at least. Such as we have here a triangle, but it is a right angle triangle, and one side 6 and second side 9 is given. Let's say 6 is perpendicular, 9 is given, that is of course hypotenuse. Then easily we can find hypotenuse 9 square 6 square plus perpendicular square. 9 square mean 81, 6 is it is base 36 and perpendicular is missing. Then shifting 36 that side, 81 minus 36, it comes 45 is equal to perpendicular square. Now how to remove the square or solve the square? That is taking square root on both side. After taking square root both side, it comes perpendicular square will get cancelled. Therefore at least we can write in the last perpendicular is equal to 45 square root, and this is the way to find if we have two sides and one side is missing. Very easy to find that time or solve the triangle. Let's say now after this we talk about angle. If angle is missing of any kind of triangle, if we talk about angle, then any kind of triangle, it means that is not necessary for right angle triangle. But remember, here we must have two angle at least, then we can find third angle. There also we said we have three, among three side two side, then we can find third side. Here we are saying if we have two angles, then we can find third angle, because we know sum of the angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That's the main formula. That's why let's say we have a triangle, one side is 60 degree, second one is 55. Then how to find third side? Formula is in front of us. Angle A and angle C are given. We are putting the value of angle A and C. Angle A 60 and angle C 55. After adding angle A and C, it comes 115, and angle B is missing, so angle B plus 150 15 degree is equal to 180. Shifting 150 next side. Remember, we are studying these point before discussing or reading about or studying about exercise 6.2. Our last angle B came 65 degree. This is very easy to find a angle when one angle is missing in a triangle but two angles are given. Let's say we have a triangle, a right angle triangle. Remember, in right angle triangle, one angle is already clear, that is 90 degree. If another angle is given, then it is very easy to find third angle. The same way, same method we discuss about right angle triangle. Remember, in this trigonometry we will be discussing about simply right angle triangle. Then if we see this same way as we have done previous procedure, that angle A 90 degree, angle B 45, angle C, then it is very simple. We know that sum of the angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Then angle A plus angle B angle C, that is equal to 180 degree, but we have the value of angle A and angle C. After adding angle A and C, 90 45 135 comes, then angle C is equal to 180 minus 135, it comes 45 degree left. It means angle C is equal to 45 degree. Remember, this is the method. So if you like these videos, kindly share them to the related student who are reading or studying class 9th 10th, and subscribe them after watching them, and share them to your related. Like, comments any point is not clear. Remember, these are the basic point. We must know how to find the sides and how to find the angles. If sides are given, two sides and two angles are given, We will study if one side and one angle is given, then how to find it later. Thank you for watching it.